Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at how we were trading a reversal doji off the 30-minute chart in crude today. You see crude was in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows. We had this pullback right here, and you can see this bar pulled right back to the 50 EMA, found support, bounced back up, set up the reversal doji. The next bar triggered it to the upside, and then crude made a big rip to the upside. In fact, this biggest part of this rip was actually a news-related event, and full disclosure, I didn't trade all of that. We hit significantly overvalued at a target area I had. I pulled my trade off, and then crude actually ripped significantly higher after that. But again, Trump had tweeted out that they weren't going to do anything with the trade deal that was already arrived at with China in regards to the mess with Hong Kong, and the stocks and crude just ripped to the upside. But we were able to grab a big chunk out of this, but like I said, it didn't take all of it just because we were so significantly overvalued. I didn't want to chase it higher, but like I said, crude did rip much higher. But this is what that looked like on a Renko chart. Our Renko chart is back to our primary trading chart, and right in here is where we were forming that reversal doji, and at the same time we had set up compression in crude. We had a double top right here, we had our pivot low down here, and we had resistance right here in crude. And that reversal doji, it triggered above 39.40, and that is exactly where our compression break also coincided with. So we triggered the reversal doji at the same time we were triggering our resistance break in crude, and we took this all the way up. 34.40 was our actual target in crude, and so that was a nice rip off of the reversal doji, because again the reversal doji triggered us in at 33.41, and we took that all the way up to 34.40, so just under $1,000 per contract on that. Again, the target was 34.40, and Trend to Pro 2.0 just kind of kept us in the trade. A couple little pullbacks to the 18, no real heat on this trade at all. These are our standard size Renko bars, so again, no real heat on this trade, and we had our upside target at 34.40. Now crude ended up, as you can see, just ripping higher based off of that news event, but when we tagged that 34.40 target that we had, we were already significantly overvalued on the 30-minute chart, and typically we hit significantly overvalued at a target area. We look to take profits. Again, Trend to Pro 2.0 would have done a great job of managing this trade. Again, we just pretty much followed the 34 EMA all the way up. Never got a change in color. So Trend to Pro 2.0 would have kept you in this trade quite a bit longer, but like I said, we hit the target I was after at a significantly overvalued area on the 30-minute chart. So some good opportunities in crude today. We took the compression breakout, made some good money on that, but there were some additional nice setups. We had the Trend to Pro 2.0 entry signal right here off the 34. We got it again right here off the 18. Again right here off the 18. So numerous opportunities to take advantage of the big push up in crude today.